I'm a law graduate from Symbiosis, graduated in year 2016. And after that, I started working with Oracle in the contract management team. And thereafter, I worked with two other organizations. All three were MNCs, and particularly in the in-house legal department, I worked. So the majority of work concerned was with the contracts, drafting, reviewing, negotiation, as well as dealing with commercial agreements on day to day. I was exploring, after I completed my graduation, I was exploring various portals on the net for a particular course which helps me in the practical aspect of the application of law. So what happened, even after acquiring a lot of theoretical knowledge, how I had to apply them, that was a challenge I was facing. So even while working, there was no one to as in guide what you are expected to do from day one. So I searched for a while, and then I found this course from IP Leaders and LawSeeker. So this course module I had specifically checked, which constituted of various corporate, commercial, IT, IPR, and lending and banking documents. So all compiled at one particular place. So that was one major motivation behind taking this course. Other than this, I found that the evaluation and assignment part was something which was not easily found everywhere, since we are taking the course and we should be learning something from it. So I found it very beneficial, since we were supposed to attempt all 50 assignments in 52 weeks. So that is one thing I think was something great. Yeah. The companies I had worked that were in IT and information security field. So the modules I had referred had few of agreements like the reseller agreement, the distributor, and partner agreement. So it helped me understand the relationship between the OEMs, that is the original equipment manager, and the reseller and the end user. So who is providing services to whom, and how it is to be drafted in a different manner between two parties. For example, if I am the OEM, how I will put my clauses, and if I am the end user, so what clauses I would like to have in place. See, if I am receiving the services from someone, so I would like to have a penalty in place in case the services are not delivered on time and as per the schedule. And same as if I am the service provider, so I'll try to ensure that there are less number of warranties from my side. So these were the things which I came to know through this course. The live sessions happened very frequently, so I didn't attend it a lot. But yes, the recorded lectures I was able to refer through the portal. It was easily available, and it was very beneficial since it paid attention on new topics as well as on the assignments feedback. So it gave a great insight on the things. This course is beneficial for both law graduates as well as students in their third to fifth year of law school. So even law graduates with 4 to 5 years experience can do this course easily, as it will give you as in you don't have to go anywhere else to search for the material or any reference material as such. You will find everything at one place. That is one thing. Other thing, then this would be a basic understanding of contracts in general, as in what are operative, what are boilerplate clauses, which if you go on if you go on in a MNC to ask any higher management person, so they won't be aware of it or might not spend time explaining these things. So one can learn these things from here itself. I'll have to check if there is something new on the course material being offered, since I had not seen very recently. Yeah. Yeah. There were few incentives given to the students, as in one thing I very much liked was the uh, writing assignment, which were mandatory for the students. So we had to write a 1500 words article, and the topic was provided to us, but we could choose a topic on our own as well. The thing I learned from writing assignment was the article needs to be researched very well before coming to an end, and other than that, you can research anything of your specific interest in the legal field. So it will help you, as in it will help you gain knowledge as well as share that very knowledge with others as well.